Phnom Penh, capital of Cambodia. When Cambodia was part of French Indochina, Phnom Penh was a beautiful city, known as the Paris of Asia. It is only recently that Cambodia has emerged from the almost constant civil war that ravaged the country for over 20 years. Today, the country is recovering. Yet, at the height of its power, from the 11th to 13th centuries, the Khmer, or Cambodian state, stretched across the Indo-Chinese peninsula, including much of present-day southern Vietnam, Laos, and Thailand. "250 kilometers northwest of Phnom Penh, there still survives a magnificent testimony to the might of the Khmer Empire. Its very name reverberates like magic, not only to historians and archaeologists, but to all who have an eye for beauty." Angkor Wat, in the Khmer language, the town with a temple, was built some 850 years ago. The temple of Angkor Wat represents a mountain, a key element in the cosmology of Hinduism. It is indeed a triumph of harmony on a stupendous scale. The structure is 1,550 meters long by 1,400 meters wide. The central tower stands 65 meters high and is surrounded by 3 gallery enclosures. There can be no question that it was designed to inspire awe among the populace. The temple is approached from the western gate along a stone causeway. That the main entrance is located to the west indicates that the builder of the temple intended it as his final resting place. The snake spirit Naga, divinity of fertility. The people of Angkor believed the 7-headed serpent to be their ancestor. Coming nearer to the gate, we are welcomed by innumerable goddesses. Sculpted in semi-relief, their breasts are full and round, emphasizing their sensuality. Their smiles and features are the same one sees in Khmer women today. Angkor Wat contains more than 3,000 such goddesses. Their eroticism, typically Hindu, is surely like that of the dancers who once filled the court. The ornaments on the heads, chests, and arms of the goddesses give us an idea of the luxury and sophistication that must have marked the ceremonial of Angkor Wat at its height. Going through the gate, we're confronted by a walkway 400 meters long, leading to the central shrine complex. We can now appreciate the concentric design, with each stage enclosed within another. It is this architectural symmetry, symbolic of the Hindu cosmos, that gives Angkor Wat its beauty as a whole. The ambience of this world in stone is overpowering. Heaven created on earth. To build the massive platforms of earth on which to mount the temple and to transport and erect the stone blocks must have required a labor force of tens of thousands, most of them probably slaves. The arched roof, designed to bear the huge weight of the stone superstructure, speaks of the advanced architectural science possessed by the builders. The gallery surrounding the main hall is no less than 1,500 meters long. The relief covering the entire wall depicts the world of the Hindu gods. Soldiers and frenzied horses show a scene from the Hindu epic Mahabharata. The genius of the carving lies in the way that by setting several partial figures behind the one shown in full, the sculptor has created an illusion of large numbers and movement. The same technique was used in European Renaissance paintings of battlefields, but in sculpture it appears unique to the Angkor culture. Here we see the columns of troops that forged the mighty Khmer Empire.